Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to effectively manage your finances using our comprehensive budget planner spreadsheet. This video will guide you through 13 essential sections to help you stay on top of your finances. Let's get started. First, we have the overview section. Here you can set your budget's start date, for example, 1st Jan 2024, and the end date, 31 Jan 2024. Also the currency I choose, dollars. You can set it in any other currency. Make sure to enter your starting balance as well. Here I set it as $500. This gives you a snapshot of your financial health. Now let's move on to the income section. Here, you can list all your sources of income, such as your salary, freelance work, or any side hustles. Keeping track of all your income streams helps you understand your total earnings and plan accordingly. For example, I will input $2,700 as budget in paycheck number 1 and $2,700 as actual. For paycheck number 2, I set $1,600 as budget and $1,500 as actual. Also for bonus, I set $200 as budget and $250 as actual. Inputting these details helps you understand your total income for the period and monitor all sources of income. Next is the expenses section. This is where you record all your variable spending, such as transport. Here I set, for example, $120 as budget, and the actual that I spend is $50, and for groceries $600 as budget and $100 for actual. For dining out, I will set $300 as budget and $30 as actual, coffee $80 as budget, $20 actual, fuel $300 as budget, $55 actual, health $200 as budget, $25 actual, beauty $60 as budget, $80 actual, for clothes $180 as budget and $45 actual. And finally, gifts $130 as budget and $60 as actual. Here you can see that the left section is calculating automatically, so you don't have to calculate it. By tracking these expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending, like the beauty area where we spend $20 more than the budget, and you can adjust your budget accordingly. The bills section is where you can list all your recurring expenses, like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Keeping an updated list ensures you never miss a payment, and can plan your budget around these fixed expenses. As you can see, I did the same thing here. I set all my necessary payments and their budgets and their actuals. I have just paid those bills, so I need to cross them off. Listing your bills ensures you keep track of recurring payments so you don't miss any payments and can plan your budget accordingly. Managing debt is crucial for financial health. In the debt section, you can list all your debts, including loans and credit card balances. As you can see here, I set all my debts and their budgets, and now I will put the date by which each debt needs to be made. As an example, my student loan is due on the 10th of the month, my 2 credit cards are due on the 3rd of the month, and my second loan is due on the 15th of the month. Tracking your debt helps you create a repayment plan and work towards becoming debt-free. Saving money is key to financial security. In the savings section, you can set savings goals and track your progress. As is evident here, I save money for cars, vacations, for emergency funds, and entertainment. I also set their budgets, which I would save this month. This section helps you allocate funds towards future goals and track your progress. Next is cash flow. This section tracks the money coming in and going out each month and also calculates the budgets and actuals automatically. The only case you need to fill is the start balance budget. It helps you monitor all your income and expenses, bills, debts, and savings, to ensure you have a positive cash flow. A positive cash flow means you're earning more than you're spending, which is crucial for financial health. Budget versus actual is a critical section for tracking your financial discipline. Here, you compare your planned budget with your actual spending for each section. As you can see here, the comparison between the planned budget for expenses and the actual spending. This comparison helps you identify discrepancies and adjust your budget to reflect your real spending habits. In the left to spend section, you can see how much money you have left for discretionary spending after covering all your essential expenses and savings. It's a great way to ensure you don't overspend and stay within your budget. The breakdown section provides a detailed analysis of your spending categories. It helps you understand where most of your money is going and if it aligns with your financial goals. This insight gives you a detailed view of all your financial. The expense tracker is a daily log where you record every single expense. This meticulous tracking helps you maintain an accurate record of your spending and spot any trends or patterns in your financial habits. All you need to fill this section is to choose a date. For example, here I will choose 1 Jan 2024. Then set the amount that you spend on that date here. I will put $100. Then choose the category here. I will choose the groceries, the category on the expenses. Tracker will appear automatically after filling the expenses section. Then if you want, add a note so you know where you have spent this amount of money here. I will write that is because of weekly grocery shopping. Here is how it looks after tracking all the expenses. The spending chart section converts your expense data into easy-to-understand charts. These visuals can quickly show you which areas consume the most money, helping you make informed adjustments. Lastly, the spending breakdown provides a detailed analysis of your spending categories. It helps you see exactly how much you're spending on different areas of your life, making it easier to adjust your budget and prioritize your financial goals. All the cases of the spending breakdown will appear automatically after filling in the expenses section. That's a wrap on our budget planner spreadsheet tutorial. By using this spreadsheet, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions about our budget spreadsheet, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.